LG dehumidifiers are made in countries such as China, South Korea, Mexico, and the Philippines. They are manufactured by LG Electronics, a global brand that is well known for its quality products. LG dehumidifiers are made in state-of-the-art factories that incorporate the latest cutting-edge technologies. All the materials and components needed to build these dehumidifiers are carefully sourced from trusted vendors. LG dehumidifiers are made with innovative technologies that help them achieve optimal performance. From the moment the raw materials arrive at the factory, every step of production is conducted under strict quality control. LG dehumidifiers are made with precision craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each device is carefully constructed with quality materials and checked for any traces of defects. LG's dehumidifiers are made in line with international safety and environmental standards. The production process meets tight deadlines, so customers can be sure their dehumidifiers will be delivered on time. All LG dehumidifiers are tested using the latest, most advanced testing methods. This ensures that each unit is in perfect working order before it leaves the factory. LG dehumidifiers are made with the utmost care and can be trusted to provide long-lasting, reliable performance for years. All the components of LG dehumidifiers are high-precision parts that are designed to ensure maximum efficiency. The engineering team responsible for the manufacture of LG dehumidifiers has extensive experience in the production of electronic appliances. LG dehumidifiers come with a comprehensive warranty that covers parts and labor for the unit. All LG dehumidifiers are made according to the exact specifications laid out by the LG engineering team. LG takes great care to ensure that their dehumidifiers are always up to date with the latest industry standard safety regulations. All the components used to make LG dehumidifiers are tested and inspected thoroughly before they are approved for production. The design of LG dehumidifiers is based on research and data collected from extensive research and development activities. LG's patented technology provides superior performance compared to other dehumidifiers on the market. All LG dehumidifiers are designed to minimize energy consumption and optimize operation. LG dehumidifiers come with user-friendly features such as filter change alert and auto restart capabilities. Advanced safety features are built into LG dehumidifiers to protect against overheating, electrical short-circuiting, and fire hazards. All LG dehumidifiers are made with advanced air circulation technology that helps speed up the dehumidification process. LG dehumidifiers are designed for easy installation and maintenance. All the parts are accessible and easy to replace. LG dehumidifiers come with intuitive user interfaces that enable users to customize their settings according to their needs. LG dehumidifiers come with smart technology that can be controlled via Wi-Fi and smartphone devices. LG's dehumidifiers are manufactured in countries with low production costs and minimal environmental impact. LG dehumidifiers are designed with eco-friendly materials that are safe for human health and the environment. LG takes great care to ensure that the parts used to make their dehumidifiers are all ethically sourced and of the highest quality.